Hello, good people. This is gonna be one really interesting interview. Okay, so we're gonna talk about alcohol, music, and let's see what else, okay?
We are Doble Sesión Nocturna. Sorry for the accent, bad Spanish and bad English accent. And we are from Madrid, Spain. And we play stoner, rock and roll, psychedelic, un poco de rock and roll, no? So we don't play rock and roll. We are not Motorhead and we don't play rock and roll. And we like movies, that's why we also project movies during our show, like old Spanish films that we really like.
Okay, here we have like 5 shots.
Really good shots.
I want you to try like the sweetest one first, okay? And who's gonna start?
Me.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, from 1 to 10. Ah?
Del 1 al 10.
1 a 10.
10.
10. Okay, perfecto. Okay, so...
So what's your favorite movie? Talking about movie.
Oh, fuck.
Yours.
Pascal.
We're not going to do all the jobs.
Okay, so...
My favorite movie, like, it's really hard to tell like what's your favorite movie, you know? It really depends on the mood, on the situation.
Another shot.
This interview is such a mess. I think it's time for another shot. It's time for another shot. Okay, should we go like...
Yeah, the white one.
Okay, so this one is, I think it's Viljamovka.
Williamovka.
This is
Beer.
exactly,
this is the
exactly,
beer.
exactly. So,
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I drink one shot of this in the petrol station. I love this place, you know.
oh,
I love this fucking place, you know. It's like with the bar 24-hour open. You can drink. It's in cars, people drink. It's nice.
I can feel the hair growing back
yes.
from my hair, yeah. It's growing back, yeah.
Love it. From 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10, 9.5.
Wow.
Give 1.
Another 10.
Another 10. Ah,
As long as it's alcohol,
bravo.
it's another 10.
Amazing.
What's your favorite dish?
Well, I'm torn about between fondue and raclette.
Okay, but you must choose one, you know.
I would say raclette because it's not only the dish, it's also you can bring a lot of friends, drink a lot of
Okay.
white wine, and it lasts longer, you know. You put like one slice, you can wait a little bit more. And, it's-
Favorite movie?
This is, I think this really deserves like another shot, another tasting of a shot. And let's go now with my favorite one, Pelinkovec. Yes,
The bitter one.
the bitter one.
Okay.
I play with you.
the Sloven
The bitter
Jägermeister.
Jagermeister.
The origin, I think it's from Croatia, but maybe the public will know.
Let me try.
This is the 10,
Interesting. It's bitter, but it's like it's not as strong. I like it. Yeah. What's your from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1. Yeah.
Okay, we have a first one.
For me, it's too
Yeah,
bitter, but it's interesting.
It's not interesting.
Yeah.
It's
It's not for you, it's a fucking shit.
yeah, but
Okay, okay.
so 1.
So 5, but I thought that tomorrow will be 7.
something for drinking with your mother and spend a Sunday, you know, with...
Fondue, watching TV, and this.
I think I just realized what my favorite movie is. It's gonna
Be this one.
okay.
Let's celebrate with.
Let's wrap it up and try the last amazing drink, which is called travarica.
This side.
Yes.
What is it?
Oh, can I ask you what's your favorite Pennywise album?
Probably full circle.
Yeah.
Okay.
We agree.
Yeah.
Ooh. Like,
Fuck.
no, I can. It's like alcohol of alcohol. It's not like the last one was like peary. You can feel the fruit, but this one, what is it? What is it?
Travarica.
From which
It's
fruit?
like from, let's say from herbs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a massive fan. No.
I want to.
I will give a 6 average.
Okay.
For
Okay.
a
Okay.
Only.
We will take this. Yeah.
I still alcohol.
Nice. 9.75.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's a strong. It's like no joke. This is alcohol, man. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a solid 10 out of 10.
I think
This is the best.
the best. Yeah.
The best. Okay.
Got a winner.
Yeah.
We have a winner.
Yeah.
Okay, bravo.
Thank you for having us in this really nice festival, and everyone is really nice and lovely, and we are treated really well. Thank you.
Well, thank you guys.
Say something
Of course.
in Spanish. Sois una gente de puta madre. You know. You are beautiful people, and thanks for this, for everything.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you.